Now it is.
Okay, in this
Really?
episode,
Is it
we're doing
sour,
fruit
like-
roll-ups
Sour.
around a brownie bit
Kind of weird.
with whipped cream on top. They look like little presents.
Oh, God.
You can pass them out at
Aw.
holiday parties or, you know, anything.
So cute.
Okay.
Shaylee.
Have you ate yours yet? Are you ready? Let's do this. Did you eat it all in one bite? Or?
Garrett, move your face.
It's kind of like something you
Ready?
eat, and it tastes so bad you don't want to eat after. And then you're just like, full.
So, how is it? Is it delicious?
I don't want to swallow the rest. It's really good. It was good at first, but I'm
I can't even chew because I'm laughing. Oh my god.
What are you doing, Garrett?
Don't pass these out at
Are
parties.
you gonna make a party? Or I mean a food item?